Hundreds came out to the Capitol steps on Tuesday to celebrate Rosie the Riveter Day. The celebration highlights women's contributions to the manufacturing effort in World War II. But today it highlights the continued push for equity in the workforce for women in non-traditional jobs.
And I would go pick up little tiny parts that they had to put together and then select a man that has already finished with his first group of works. I would give him this part and the blueprints.
Clayput is one of our very own Michigan Rosies. She worked primarily on the office side of manufacturing, making sure parts were accounted for.
Oh, that was wonderful. I really enjoyed it.
Clayput was one of the millions of women across the U.S. who jumped into jobs not traditionally held by women during World War II. In fact, Rosies like Clayput are remembered for their significant impact on the war effort. She tells me, though, at the time, it didn't feel historic necessarily.
Back then, we worked and we just didn't pay too much attention to anything but our particular jobs.
Women like Clayput often had families while working too. Her daughter tells me the Rosie nickname even grew to match those families.
So when you have a mother that's a Rosie, then the daughter is a Rosebud. For the boys, my brother, the boys would be a Rivet.
Today, these Rosies still show us we can do it. For now, I'm your senior political reporter, Elle Myers, Fox 47 News.